actually engage your glutes. Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Remy. On my channel, we talk all things fitness education, workout tips, glute growth, muscle growth, and so much more. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to actually engage your glutes. The gluteus maximus is the largest muscle in the human body. As we begin our glute growth journey, sometimes it can be difficult to actually engage the muscle. Oftentimes, we might find doing leg exercises, we feel it mostly in our quads or our hamstrings, and we lack any glute engagement at all. You'll notice this over a period of time because you won't be seeing the results that you want. You might be seeing more gains in your legs versus your glutes. There are a couple of reasons why your glutes might not be getting engaged. Number one, you might not be warming up properly. You might just be jumping into a workout right when you get to the gym. I used to be guilty of doing this when I first started. I never used to warm up. When you're a beginner, feeling engagement in your muscles is pretty easy because you're not used to exercising or lifting any weight. Your muscles automatically are shocked. But as you get more comfortable and more familiar with it, your muscles need that little reminder to wake up. Another reason why your glutes might not be engaging is that you are trying to rush through the exercises and you're not focusing on a mind-muscle connection. In order for your glutes to actually be engaged during an exercise, a lot of it has to do with what you're thinking about and if you're focused on the actual exercise. You really want to slow down the movement, think about it in your head, feel it through your glutes mentally. Another reason your glutes might not be fully engaged during certain exercises is because you're not getting the depth or the range to actually engage your glutes. And this comes from a lack of mobility and flexibility. So doing stretching before and after a workout, if you have very limited mobility, it can often hinder your performance. So you want to make sure that you are stretching. Another tip that is favored by lots of fitness influencers and a lot of people in general now include this in their workout is to incorporate in your warm-up glute activations, glute exercises that you can use with a band or your body weight to wake up the glute. Another reason why you might not be feeling it in your glutes is that you're a quad dominant person, which just means that when you do leg exercises, you tend to feel it more in your quads. There are ways to fix this and adjust this so that the emphasis is more on your hamstrings and your glutes. That is to place the weight on your heels. So let's say you're doing a squat, you want to lean back into the squat, placing the emphasis on your heels, steer away from heavy quad exercises and focus more on glute dominant compounds. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. That is how to actually engage your glutes. If you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and you can check out my glute growth playlist down below. It will be linked there. Check me out on all my other social medias as well, linked down below, and I'll talk to you guys in a few days in my next video. Bye, Fit Fam!